Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have 3 job updates and let's see it one by one. The first job update is from Dell and let's see about the role, location and the response. The role is Graduate Apprentice and job location is Bangalore. Now let's see what you will do as a Graduate Apprentice. You will collaborate with the legal consult team on the project management and coordination and manage all departmental tasks and coordinate activities. You should manage routine correspondence or calls or emails following established procedures. You should perform administrative work such as data entry, filling, sorting, and etc. You should assist in the preparation of presentation, reports, and etc. You should assist scheduling meetings and events, and coordinating logistics as required. You should file and maintain repositories of the internal document. Let's see the essential requirements for this role. You should have a bachelor's degree in any discipline, having passed out in the 2022 or 2023 only. No prior work experience or apprenticeships experience is required, and if you have internship experience, it will be considered. You should have an excellent written and oral English communication skill and good interpersonal skill. Process oriented with attention to detail and organization skill. And you should be proficient with modern digital tools and platform, including the traditional applications like Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, calendars, and etc. You should be interested in the basic project management and coordination. And let's see the desirable requirement. You should have a fluency of local language is desirable and to adapt to the technology tools including AI related with legal research, information and communication. An academic background in law will be a bonus. Application closing date is on the 31st of May. Now, let's see the second job update. Second job update is from Allstate and it is a associate operation role. The location is Bangalore. Now, let's see the key response. You will be performing various tasks like issuing payments to vendor and sending letter to the insured to meet compliance guidelines. You should be ordering report to the police, fire, condo, deeds and title. You should take required follow up on task and update the status on system accurately and to provide emergency mitigation services so that their property will not suffer more damage till the time permanent repairs are made. You should do a thorough review on the documentation and capture relevant for downstream teams to review. To action all tasks on the team to beat the business SLAs and KPIs. Now, let's see the preferred qualification. You should have 0 to 18 months of experience and bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. Now, let's see the third job update. The third job update is from HashedIn Technologies. It is a off-campus hiring for the role of Devops, SDET and QA. And the interview location is Bangalore. Now, let's see the eligibility criteria. You should be a BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA, CSC and IT only with no active backlogs with 60% or 6 CGPA overall. And you should have a effective communication and interpersonal skill, passion for technology. Now, let's see about the selection process. And it includes profile screening, online test, technical interview, and HR interview. Please note the processing of the candidature will take minimum of 10 to 15 days. All you need is to fill this form and submit it. The recruitment team will contact you soon. We will provide the apply link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.